Hi, good morning again. Talon Adventures. So, yun na nga. Last year, 2 years ago, yun nga, nag-isip ako maghanap ng other opportunities outside United Arab. So, 3 beses na scam. 2 beses ng Canada. 1 beses na Norway. Sabi ko nga, nasaraduhan ako ng mga pinto. May nagbukas mas malaking pinto. Yun nga, February, I think, last 2024, nag-start na ako mag-apply for, yun na, dun, may nakita kasi ako. Try ko lang. Wala akong documents, so, I was not successfully hired. Pero pwede naman daw, yun sana, yung supposedly police clearance, kaso medyo matrabaho daw. So, yun nga, mas prefer daw nila yung NBA Apostle. So, 2024, I decided to go home to have a short vacation to prepare everything. Then, sabi rin i-mention ko na lang once it's all ready, I'll mention the agency who helped me to went through all the process. Legit to. Yun, di ba? Umuwi ako ng Pilipinas, inayos ko lahat ng documents ko, tapos in-advise ko yung office dito sa Dubai that okay na yung papel ko, lahat-lahat. Sabi nila, sige. By September, I think, nakalimutan ko lang yung date, na-interview nila ako via Zoom doon sa ina-applyan ko. So, by October, na-advise nila ako na mag-antay lang. Accepted na po ako. So, mag-antay na lang daw po ako ng offer letter ko. So, yun, nag-apply. By December, na-receive ko yung offer letter ko galing from the agency itself. Binasa ko lahat-lahat. Then, I've signed, then pinadala ko ulit by the next day sa kanila. Then, by January, yung isang kontrata na ulit para sa work permit ko na daw yun, yung naka-Croatian language na. So, alam nyo na saan ako pupunta. Ayun, by January, nag-start na yung process ng work permit ko. They started my process of my work permit. Then, February 27, I was advised that my work permit was released. So, nakita ko nga, February 12 siya. Tapos, alam, tatravel pa dito eh. Yung pagkuha pa doon, tapos tatravel pa dito, diba? So, by March 3, in-advise ako nung February 27 na to apply may visa. Binigyan lang ako nila ng 3 days eh. Kailangan ko masikaso yung visa ko. So, March 3 nag-apply ako ng Sinjin. So, up to this day, yun ang inaantay ko pa, yung visa ko. So, yun. Basta kumpleto ko ng documents, ipasa mo yung interview, you have the right skills, you're sure na makukuha mo yung gusto mo, yung ina-achieve mong job. Hindi man kalakihan ng sahod, lahat naman tayo nag-umpisa sa maliit. So, ang inahabol ko kasi is stability. Kasi dito, naglo-localization na. So, ibigay na natin sa kanila to. So, I'll keep you posted again. Abangan. Thank you and good morning.